Yo! G'day, it's Chris O. Here I'm doing the laundry, and it's one I haven't shown you before. This is, well, we haven't come across it before for a long time. These tiles have been painted, so I've run my cup grinder over them to scuff them up to get the shitty paint off. And then of course my primer on the walls and that sort of thing. I'm going up half height there, full height there, full height there, half height. Same tile as what I used in the ensuite. And then I'll be going into here. I'll be stripping that out. But yeah, that tape across the door there is to keep the friggin' dog out. He's banned from coming in here today. So yeah, that's all good. But that's what you do with your painted tiles. Don't ever paint your tiles, people, and think that it's going to turn out lovely and all that sort of thing. It's the shittiest thing that anyone could ever do is paint tiles. It wears off, it looks crapolo after a few months. Tile over it, you know, you see it on TV and they paint over these splashbacks and that, oh Christ, you want to see it in real life. Okay, because this is real life. I love you, we'll see you soon, bye.